get the first half underway. The coin toss won by Bumpy Pitch. And we are ready to get our first morning game underway. The Dew Sweepers are out there. Collegiate player at USC. And the first stoppage for an infraction. We are 3 minutes into our first half here in this 8:45 game, the first of the day on field 1. And denial. Which was your last game last night? I watched the tail end of the Brown Ballers on field 5, and they had a massive comeback to tie the match after being down 5-1. This is the men on the men's side. They were down 5-1 going to the target score, and they came back and tied it. Ultimately lost 6-5. So you had the Bumpy Pitch men, Anthony, is that right? So it got down to 2v2, and Bumpy Pitch men fell last night. So did the women. So tough evening last night and a quick turnaround. Taken back at midfield. Bumpy Pitch with Hannah Adler. And the attempt to the right post, knocked away. Angela Morales with the shot on goal. Nine and a half minutes into our first half. Again, this is a women's Group B game. If you follow along on the website, you can tell the entire schedule, what's ahead. These teams will be spring training home of the Detroit Tigers. Another chance. Nice footwork and a beautiful save by Caroline Dysart. So the corner kick coming up. A little bit of a breeze, that feels good. This one hits the post. Scramble in front. And the save made. City Soccer with possession. 15 seconds left in our opening half. The race is on to the corner. City Soccer wins the ball at that spot. And just a little bit late coming in for City Soccer was Gabby Byorth. She might have had an opportunity there, but just a tad late, and that brings an end to the first half. 0-0 on the big board here in Cary, North Carolina. Halftime near the South Carolina border in Boiling Springs, and then in Coastal Carolina, which is outside of Myrtle Beach. Professional player in Iceland and Brazil, and Caitlin Kellogg's nickname is Toast, where it was 0-0 going to target score. I don't think so. Have to look. So we had that first goal coming, and they get it right there. City Soccer draws first blood. And with the goal, 74, Nano Aronos. Bumpy Pitch. And they whistle Franco. Giving the ball back to Bumpy Pitch. City Soccer up 1-0. Ooh, off the crossbar. McKenna Whittam with that shot that nearly equalized the match. Bumpy patch again. This one a little dangerous on the goal line. City gets it out of there. I'd like to salute our good friends at Voigt, the official soccer ball of TST, made for play, built for competition. Voigt is at the center of every play since day one. Aaron Yenny, number 16, just over the top. Ten minutes, 45 seconds left, second half. City Soccer, once they got the lead at 1-0, and the attempt goes wide here, but they have played nice give and go, and a goal. Kayla Dickerman. So that will be the end of regulation with our score, City Soccer 2 and Bumpy Pitch 0. Target score is set at 3, and we'll have that for you in just a moment. Ready for target score time here in our first match of the morning. Target score has been established at 3. That's done by adding 1 to the team in front. So City Soccer up 2-0. First team to 3, so Bumpy Pitch has a chance, but they have really struggled to find the net here, as you can see, but they do get it into the box early on. And is there a foul in the box? They say no. Ooh, so City Soccer fortunate there, and now they come away. This is an untimed, now we have a foul. It's going to give Bumpy Pitch the kick here, and it is untimed in so much as you can play until you get to 3, but it is played in 3-minute segments. On the rebound, smothered by Caitlin Kellogg. Yeah, they're going to let him play 7v7 here. The shot is over the crossbar and out of play. Save made by Caroline Dysart. City Soccer into the box, close, knocked down, and the rebound trickles out. On the backside, hit the post. Wide open spaces for Bumpy Pitch. That's taken away. A long kick will do it. And there it is, the game winner for City Soccer. The empty netter wins it at target score time.